What's up to your fans, and welcome back for my first video on Phoebes Does Technology Reviews in 2021, and tonight we're going to be looking at a review of the Xbox Adaptive Controller. This is something I got among my Christmas presents this year, and it's something that I also saw various reviews on last year. So let's get in and see what I think about it now. But before we get too far into this video, here's a very quick reminder as to where you can follow me on all my social media links. If you like what you see here and you would like to find out more. So first of all, if you would like to follow the Technology Reviews blog, you can check it out over at www.technologyreviews.co.uk, and you can also like, subscribe and share all the content that you see here on Phoebes Does Technology Reviews. If you would like to check out my personal Twitter account, it is at Phoebeslyle. And if you would also like to check out Technology Reviews' Twitter account, it is at Tech Reviews UK with the hyphen. You can also follow me on my personal Instagram account, which is the real Phoebeslyle, and Technology Reviews is Technology Reviews UK on Instagram. Or if you would like to check out the Accessible Technology podcast, you can do so by heading over to my Phoebeslyle SoundCloud account, or by going over to the Facebook page Technology Reviews and liking it, but links to all of these will be in the description. But now, let's get straight into the video. So the Xbox Adaptive Gaming Kit is a series of high durable buttons and triggers for the Xbox Adaptive Controller, and made by Logitech G. The top of the box includes a green header with the Xbox logo on it above the black header that says Xbox One, although these switches will be fully compatible with every other Xbox, including the new Series X. What I like about the box is that it points a lot of other stuff out, including how to put it together and everything, and what all is included. But what I would have liked to see a wee bit more of is a wee bit more about Logitech G, given that the switches were developed by them, although you do see a wee bit of the adaptive controller. The switches that you get are 4 light touch buttons, 2 variable triggers, 3 small buttons and 3 large buttons. Once you get into the kit, you'll see a guide as to how to set everything up, which I have to say I think the whole setup is very nicely laid out. But under that you'll see your stickies, your trays, and then all your switches. You will also get a couple of stickers to stick upon your switches, but I've used all of mine, so apologies that I can't show you that. And guys, what I think is one of the best things about this adaptive gaming kit is the actual clear sound when you click all of the switches, which I'll show you now. But what do I think about the Xbox Adaptive Gaming Kit by Logitech overall? I really like the sound of the switches, as I've pointed out elsewhere in this review, and as well as that you really get a lot of things that definitely makes it worth the money. But saying that, like what I said in my review of the Xbox Adaptive Controller, which if you haven't seen that yet, a link to it will be somewhere around here. There are a couple of problems with it, mainly to do with price. A lot of disabled people don't come from high earning households, and that means that if you are in a low earning household, you would actually have to spend £89 or £90 on it, which goes up even higher in America and across other currencies. This is why I would like to see maybe a couple of offers on the adaptive gaming kit on different sites, maybe across the Black Friday time of the year, and maybe just lowering the price a wee bit, but you definitely do get a lot of stuff that makes it worthwhile, and given that you would have to pay a lot more money for even buying one Switch, yeah, it's definitely worth the money. Hopefully we can start talking about more accessible joysticks soon. But overall guys, that's all for now. So I hope you liked this video. I will be back to doing this sort of weekly, twice monthly at the minute. I just took a very long break there because of writing stuff and for other stuff that's depending on whether or not stuff goes ahead, I might be able to tell you about at some point in the next few months. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is Phoebe's Lyle, where Phoebe does technology reviews.